Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be installing another part that was recommended by Jeff Slavens of Slavens Racing on the 2019 KTM 300XC, and that is this part, which has been on back order for quite some time. This is the 300SX or SX version of the CDI box for this bike. So the part number on this is KTSXS 143-00390. You can get it from Slavens Racing. Their part number is SXS 143-00390 without the KT. This is highly recommended by Jeff for mid-range and low-end power. It's supposed to really give you a boost down low. If you're a trail rider, you can run the same stock sprocket as you normally would. You don't have to go down in teeth or up in teeth for that matter. Along with all the other things that I've done, which are all recommended by Jeff, this was kind of like the cherry on top. So we're going to get this installed. It shouldn't be too hard, and thanks for watching. Alright, so obviously the first step here, unboxing it, there's nothing to it. It's really just a kind of a plastic module with one connector and two screw holes here. So your CDI box is located underneath the seat, and you just need to remove that, which is just two T30 Torx. Alright, so I'm going to be using a T30 Torx with a 3-inch extension on my ratchet here to go ahead and remove the two bolts holding the seat on. Alright, go ahead after you've removed the two screws, remove your seat by just lifting up and pulling back. Okay, now that you've got your seat off, the next step is to remove your stock CDI box. There's one connector, but there's two screws here. So this is a 6mm hex head, and I'm using a ratchet and an extension. They're not in there very tight, so when you tighten it back up, you really don't need to wrench it down too bad. So there's both of our screws. Now we can go ahead and pop the CDI, and you're going to go ahead and push down on your electrical connector here, and it just pops right out just like that. Alright. Here's your two CDI boxes side by side. This one here is your stock CDI box. This one here is the replacement. You can tell because they look identical, but this one starts with an SXS, and that's the replacement that you're going to be installing. It also doesn't come with these metal bushings like this one does. No mention of those being needed. I may have to press them out, but I'm going to go ahead and try and put them in without it. Alright, here's my new CDI box. I'm just going to go ahead and plug it in. Put it back in its spot here. And I'm going to go ahead and get my screws started. I'm going to go ahead and get them tightened down. That's it. Just need to snug it down, and literally, if I wasn't filming, this would have taken 5 minutes. Alright, now that you've got your SXS CDI box installed, you're just going to go ahead and reinsert your seat. Just get my ratchet here and just snug it down a little bit. Okay. And there we go, you're all done. So I'm going to go ahead and take this for a test ride, make sure it's good, and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.